racing. Bourbon County was off okay, and Bourbon County surges to the early lead to the outside of Sue Stormy, who's showing great speed. After that, we have the gray CJ's Mama to the inside of Little Apollo and to the outside of Good Guy Larry. Between them is Sheer Trick, advancing 4 lengths behind Bourbon County, who bumps the lead to 2. Then we come to Sam Wayne, just 5 out of it, but ridden hard to keep up. Then it's Big Daddy Warbucks, and Mr. Grand Rapids can see them all. They go into the far turn, and the talented Bourbon County in search of 2 consecutive impressive wins, and Bourbon County glides along, leading it by 1.5. Good Guy Larry is second. After that, we have CJ's Mama Boy losing ground, and on the far outside, Big Daddy Warbucks is sweeping into action, but look at Bourbon County roll. Bourbon County just took a 2-length lead and made it 6, and Bourbon County heads down into the final furlong, turning this into a glorified team drill. In second is Sheer Trick to the outside of Good Guy Larry, but Bourbon County is gone. It's a blowout by the talented Bourbon County. Sheer Trick ran second. Big Daddy Warbucks finished third.